Hello, trading has closed on the 19th of August 2013. I'm Jeffrey Tennant and I'm going to try to predict tomorrow's stock market using the MEJT system. There wasn't any MEJT signal for it today. I was hoping that we could get a gap over Friday's high, but that never happened. Hoping doesn't always work for me. MEJT is basically an intraday system. It did give a few signals intraday which worked. This arrow here showed there was something called an ultimate sell signal that said ultimately lower prices would print. They didn't have to print immediately, but they did. Anyone who took the trade had a very close stop. The system tells you right away if the move is going to be immediate or delayed. The system said this was a false move and wouldn't stick, and it did retrace. There was a second sell signal in the afternoon. Once again, it didn't have to pay off immediately, but it did. And if anyone took the signal, there was a very close stop. For tomorrow, MEJT says this is a false move. It's kind of hard to pick a bottom when you're in a free fall like this. But the system says there's a new target of 1657.24, most likely by Wednesday morning. Now I have to give a word of caution here. As we said last week, the system is compatible with a major change in trend and an impulsive move down. Whenever those conditions are present, there is an increased risk of failure of the call. The system doesn't really have a good stop loss. It doesn't have perfect entries all the time. All it has is a target at this point. Using other forms of technical analysis, I would like to see Monday's low hold, and I'd be suspicious of this target failing if today's low did not hold. Frankly, what I'd really like to see is a gap up Tuesday, and if there isn't a gap up, I'd be more suspicious. Well, that's the call. Let's see if it works.